Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you kids? Hope you are in good state of iman and health. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala shower his blessings upon all of you. Our today's video is based on the topic of the Hajj. As you all know, Hajj is the fifth pillar of Islam and obligatory for Muslims to perform once in their lifetime, if they are able. There are three types of Hajj: Hajj Qiran, Hajj Tamattu and Hajj Ifrad. There is a little bit difference in these three types of Hajj, but there are four pillars of Hajj which are compulsory to perform in each type of Hajj. And they are entering in the state of Ihram, Tawaf al-Ifada, Sa'i and Waquf Arafah. This Hajj video is about Hajj Qiran. Alright children, let me explain Hajj step by step. Hajj begins on the 8th of Dhul Hijjah. Firstly, a pilgrim must don 2 white garments at the Miqat as Ihram and make a clear intention for Hajj. Wearing white garments or Ihram is mandatory for men, while women can wear any modest dress and abaya. After that, the pilgrim performs the welcome tawaf, known as Tawaf-e-Qadum, followed by Sa'i, the walking between the hills of Safa and Marwa, commemorating Hazrat Hajra's search for water for her son Ismail alayhi salam. Do you know what Tawaf and Sa'i are, children? Tawaf involves circling the Kaaba 7 times, and Sa'i is the brisk walking between Safa and Marwa hills. Now I will tell you all about Mina. Mina is a vast campsite where Muslims stay together and perform various Hajj rituals. After spending the night at Mina, pilgrims proceed to Arafat. Arafat is a significant plain where Muslims gather during Hajj for Waquf Arafah, the main day of the Hajj journey. On the 9th of Dhul Hijjah, after sunrise in Mina, pilgrims head to the plain of Arafah, reciting istighfar, seeking forgiveness, and making supplications. A sermon is delivered from Masjid Al-Nimra on Mount Arafah. After sunset, pilgrims leave the plain of Arafat for Muzdalifah, where they spend the night in worship and rest. In Muzdalifah, pilgrims may collect stones for Rami, the symbolic stoning of the devil. Kids, do you know an interesting fact about Muzdalifah? There are no camps or accommodations, and everyone spends the entire night under the open sky. On the 10th of Dhul Hijjah, known as Yawmul Nahar or the day of sacrifice, pilgrims depart Muzdalifah and return to Mina. On this day, they perform Hadi, sacrificial animals. After sacrificing the animals, they are allowed to leave the state of Ihram. Then they shave or trim their hair, known as Halq or Taksir. Following Halq or Taksir, pilgrims return to Makkah to perform Tawaf al-Ifada and begin the first of 3 days of stoning the devil, known as Rami. These rituals symbolize Ibrahim's alayhi salam trial when commanded by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to sacrifice his son Ismail alayhi salam. On the way to carry out the commandment, Iblis, Shaitan, tried to tempt Ibrahim alayhi salam into disobeying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala at 3 locations. When Ibrahim alayhi salam reached at Jamarat al-Aqaba, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala instructed the angel Jibreel alayhi salam to instruct Ibrahim alayhi salam to throw 7 stones at Iblis. He obliged and Iblis fled immediately. The 3 Jamarat represent the 3 places where Iblis tried to dissuade Ibrahim alayhi salam from obeying the command of Allah. However, contrary to misconceptions, the pillars do not contain Iblis. On the 10th, 11th and 12th days of Dhul Hijjah, pilgrims perform Rami, chanting Allahu Akbar. After completing the 3 days of Rami, only one step remains before completing Hajj and departing from Makkah, returning to perform Tawaf. This farewell Tawaf, Tawaf al-Wida, is obligatory. Alhamdulillah, Hajj is completed. Congratulations to all pilgrims. Now they can leave Makkah for Masjid al-Nabawi. Children, I hope you have enjoyed learning about Hajj. Hajj teaches us about unity, kindness, and obedience to Allah. It reminds us that we are all equal. I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that one day we may go on Hajj and experience it for ourselves. Ameen. Children, keep remember your teacher Hussain in your prayers. We will meet in next video inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah Hafiz.